Okay, before we get into this, this pistol is unloaded, absolutely safe, no magazine, nothing in the chamber, 100% safe. Okay, so I'm reading this, of course. The Star Model BM is a compact single-action 9mm semi-auto produced in Spain by Star Bonifacio Echeverria. From 1972 to 1992. This particular model is from 1974. Looked up the serial number. So that's pretty nice. I had no idea it was that old. I found this in a pawn shop for about $2.25. It came with 5 magazines, 8 rounds per magazine, single action. Only. But the trigger's really sweet, very smooth and light. Watch this. Boom. The sights are nothing to speak of, but you know, we've gotten really spoiled with optics and night sights. Look up semi-autos from the 70s. Those cats didn't have any sights, man, and they were shooting on target, man. These are pretty much garbage. Could put a little nail polish here, I guess, but what's the point? You know, so I'm going to take this to the range, and we're going to shoot and see how it does. Let's see here. I'll read a little bit more. While resembling 1911, the Star BM differs by lacking a grip safety and using a pivoting trigger. It features a lock breech operating system with a swinging link. I have no idea what that means. This is kind of a pain to break down. Got to take this little bushing off here, and you know it's a bit of a thing to break down, but you know, not terribly difficult. But boom. Okay, I'm not going to go on and on here because I looked at my last video and it was just too much fluff. I talked too much. As my wife would say, too much yickety-yakking and jaw-jacking. So I'm going to throw some quick facts up here about this pistol, and then we're going to head straight to the range. Okay, here we are at Shooter's Club. Before we go inside, I thought I'd give you a better look of the Star BM 9mm in the daylight here. Stopped off on the way for a frozen Mountain Dew, but they were out of the green regular flavor, and I had to get this blue crap here. It's okay, a little just too. It's not the same, you know. I need the Dew, baby, the real Mountain Dew. Okay, so anyway, here we go. Very nice. It's clear. Whoops, clear. All metal. Feels really nice in the hand. Cocked and locked. There we go, cocked and locked. Totally safe. All right, as you can see, the bluing is starting to peel off, I guess you could say. You barely see the word Star on there. Let me show you the mag drop. Pretty nice. Boom. I haven't shot this in a while, but I do remember you do have to screw around with the sight picture a little bit. It tends to shoot high, so you just have to kind of mess around until you get it right. So let's go ahead and shoot this baby. All right, so we are shooting Federal 124 grain American Eagle. Here we go. All right. I don't know what the heck this was about here, or this. A couple flyers. But I was aiming, put my front post right about here. Okay. So not too bad. These 8-round mags go fast, let me tell you. Okay, we gotta try one more round here. Almost out of juice on my GoPro, so this will have to be it. Gonna try a new angle. Yeah, see, got a little high here. Probably should have been aiming right there. I think I had my front post at about here. Anyway, there you go.